Okay, so here's my bike check. Yeah. I'm only doing this because it's raining and there's nothing else to do, so yeah. I guess we'll start off. Frame is a premium. Yeah, I just started riding a couple months ago. I'm pretty good right now, so yeah. Let's see, just the frame's premium. Let's see. I have animal edwin grips. It's really comfy. Odyssey elementary V3 stem. I like it. A lot of people say it slips, but I don't know. It hasn't slipped on me yet, so. Just stock bars. ASM sticker. I don't know, I got bored. Stock forks. A FAF tire, front tire. Stock hub laced to a Alienation delinquent front rim. Odyssey twisted plastic PC pedals. What the heck? I don't know. Stock cranks. A proper Sprocket. Shadow Conspircy plastic seat. Fit pivotal seat post. Just a stock chain. I think it's KMC, I think. Yeah, just a stock KMC chain. Let's see. Just a stock back hub. Premium back hub laced to another Alienation delinquent. They're pretty light. They're okay. Animal and back tire. Animal ASM-R. Slick. Yeah. I like it. And let's see. Did I get everything? I don't know. Here's for all you. Here's for all the gay people. You like the. I wonder how loud it is. Yeah, so I don't know. You tell me how loud it is. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, and I ride brakeless. So yeah. Oh yeah, and the quality is really crappy. So I already know. So you don't have to tell me. And I think overall the bike weighs without pegs around 22, and with pegs around 23. So yeah, comment and give me any suggestions I should do or add to it. Yeah, so bye. I'll see you guys later.